Are you constantly reaching for your phone to pay with Grabpay, or are you still a little hesitant about its security? In an increasingly digital world, cashless payments are king, and Grabpay has certainly carved out a massive kingdom in Southeast Asia. From your morning coffee to your late-night ride, it's designed to be seamless, convenient, and incredibly integrated into your daily life. But convenience often comes with questions, doesn't it? Questions about security, privacy, and ultimately, trustworthiness. So, how trustworthy is Grabpay, really? Let's dive into the core of what makes any digital payment platform trustworthy: security. Grabpay employs robust encryption technologies, similar to what major banks use, to protect your transactions and personal data. This means that when you're tapping to pay or transferring funds, that information is scrambled and secured, making it incredibly difficult for unauthorized parties to intercept. They also utilize multi-factor authentication, often requiring a PIN, fingerprint, or facial recognition for transactions, adding another strong layer of defense against unauthorized access to your account. Think of it as a digital fortress with multiple locks and guards. Beyond the technical safeguards, Grabpay also has measures in place to protect you from fraudulent activities. Their fraud detection systems are constantly monitoring transactions for unusual patterns. If something looks suspicious, they can flag it, pause the transaction, and even reach out to you to verify. This proactive approach helps to catch potential issues before they become major problems. And what if something does go wrong? Grabpay generally offers buyer protection for eligible transactions, which can provide a sense of security if you encounter a dispute with a merchant or a fraudulent charge. This isn't a blank check for every single issue, but it does offer recourse in many common scenarios. Now, let's talk about a crucial aspect often overlooked: data privacy. Grabpay, as part of the larger Grab ecosystem, collects a significant amount of your personal and transactional data. This data is used to improve their services, offer personalized promotions, and for various analytical purposes. Grab states they adhere to strict data privacy policies and comply with local regulations, aiming to protect your information. However, the sheer volume of data collected is something to be aware of. It's important to review their privacy policy to understand what data is collected and how it's used. Ultimately, it's a trade-off between the convenience of personalized services and the extent of data sharing. Finally, let's consider the company's reputation and its regulatory compliance. Grab, as a major player in the tech and financial sectors, operates under the scrutiny of various regulatory bodies across Southeast Asia. This oversight adds a layer of accountability and helps ensure that Grabpay adheres to established financial standards and consumer protection laws. Their continuous growth and expansion suggest a level of stability and commitment to maintaining a secure and reliable platform. So, bringing it all together, is Grabpay trustworthy? Based on its multi-layered security measures, fraud detection systems, buyer protection, and regulatory compliance, the answer leans heavily towards yes. While no digital platform is entirely immune to all risks, Grabpay has invested significantly in making its platform secure and reliable. The key is for you, the user, to also play your part by using strong, unique passwords, enabling multi-factor authentication, and being vigilant about phishing attempts or suspicious activities. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.